Hello, welcome aboard Google Cloud again. Today we're going to be talking about Kotlin statically, a typed language. We are going to be targeting the VM to provide our interoperability with existing libraries with Java. So first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to activate the Cloud Shell. All right. Let's click on continue. Gonna even open the content in another editor. Open a new window. That. So you're gonna open the terminal. Okay. I'm gonna leave them. Okay, here for a while. See cloud out list. Let's start checking our configurations. Config list project. I'm gonna check my credentials. That's okay what I expected. I'm fine with that. Alright, now I'm going to enable some libraries to interact, in this case PubSub. Just enable it. Now for PubSub, let's click on Big Data PubSub. I could create topic from here, but actually I'm gonna run the command line gcloud PubSub top trade registration. Just creating for us. And now we're going to create a subscription. Specifying the topic we just created previously. We can come here. Or even topics. Subscriptions. Here we go. Now I'm going to enable the SQL admin for Cloud SQL. And I'm going to create an instance of SQL. This takes more time. It's not showing the topic that was created. Now we're going to switch here. Now we're just going to surf around and get into the SQL, which is being created. Takes some time. Just some information, like I'm able to say that Spring Framework supports Kotlin, the version 1.1, a couple of libraries. You can extend those additional functionalities. Okay, that takes a while to create the database, etc. Let's get into the instance. Let's see where it's done or not. We already have the instance connection name, public IP address. There's no private IP address. In this case, the user is going to be root. You cannot do anything to it. Everything is done. It's just still on the virtualizing it. So patience. Still running. Oh, looks like it's done. Here I want to see. It's going to be ending it. Here we go. Yeah. Now I'm going to create a database. Oh, actually, I just created a database. I just created an instance. Now I'm going to create a database. Yes, I just created registrations here. Yeah. Perfect. And now you're going to create a Spring Boot application. So come in here. Pretty simple. We're going to use the archetype of Spring. We're calling the star Spring IO starter, passing our parameters, and enter. Very fast. Now we're going to get into the lab, the code itself. You can see it from here. Anyway, let's start going to configuring those things. First thing I'm going to add here in my POM. Look at the dependencies. I put the JPI, Spring integration for the pub sub, etc. Okay, let's put it here before the tests. That's not what I wanted. Sorry. I will put the dependency of GCP starter SQL for MySQL. Let's put just some indent. All right, let's save it. Now I'm going to run the SQL thing. We're going to get our connection name using the Cloud SQL instance to describe our instance connection name. That's what we have to use. So let's go to application properties. There's nothing here. I'm going to put the definitions what I need. Actually going to put much more parameters than we expect. Instance connection name, we just talked. The thing here. Actually, you can get that from here. I was telling before. Check. It's your lab, the region, zone, the name. So I got. Yeah, instance connection name, which is your project ID, the region, and the database name. Right? Those things. Gonna leave it for a while there. Just save it. All the plugins are fine. Kotlin. Remember. Now I'm going to add some static resource, which we are under static. Nothing here. I'm going to create a file there. Let's create an index. It's going to be under here. I'm going to paste a piece of code. Just some HTML stuff for submitting a form. Extremely simple. I'm not going to deploy a Node.js thing or a Cloud Functional thing. It's going to be very simple. Because the idea of that show Kotlin, no Cloud Functions or whatever. Now under the templates, I'm gonna put on some things here too. Let's create a new file here. Gonna call it registrants, HTML. Very easy thing. Now we're going to run the application. Fine. Very simple, guys. Here have the command thing, as we have here. So ls. All right. Let's run it. Handle all the dependencies. Once it is done, we just click on the preview. And for terminate that, we just to cut that, just get Ctrl C under the shell. Yeah, you guys know shell, no need to explain it. For now, it's going to take more time, this deployment stuff, this running thing, because of the download stuff. Fine. So many dependencies. Here we go. Has just started. This driver is so fast. Hickory. connecting to the database via SSL. Welcome page. You see the pub sub, the Spring integration. Years ago, I thought the Spring integration would die, but it's not. It's not guaranteed. All right. Started. We are fine. So let's. Oh gosh. Was expected. No worry. The application is started. Now we're going to quit it. We're going to start working on the Kotlin. So here under Kotlin, okay, let's put something under the demo. I'm going to create new file here. Under demo, file, new file. I call it person.kotlin. This is the script you're going to put it, the class. You see nothing. It's going to compile on the fly. Save it. Now we're going to add a repository. You know Spring data. So here again, file, new file. It's pretty simple what I'm doing. Looks like a REST repository resource. Save it. Now we're going to get into our demo config, and we're going to add a controller, which is needed. This has a little bit more code, which I selected here previously. Control K. Save it. Okay, just REST controller. And here we have our demo application to start up. Okay, let's add something here, some new imports. I really call it new imports to add, which is going to separate it. There's no bean at all. Well, let's put the class I did before on the test. This is our class right now, which have a fun main, have a bin with Jackson pub sub messaging. Okay, fine, let's save it. And we're gonna run it again. I'm going to click on the pub sub. OMG. Now I show it my topic. It's not showing any message. Let's click on the subscription. starting. You see the messages, spooling the messages, spool back again for more messages. How integrated. The whole thing is adding to the database. Let's write gems. Here we go, more messages. Here we go. We are fine with the calling stuff. Now I'm going to change a little bit our application. Let's stop that. Down. Let's go into the code itself. We are on demo. Now I'm going to change the entire code, which you're going to subscribe some things. So you're going to have a message receiver. Okay, demo application. Just set a service activator is going to read from the channel. This is going to do the acknowledge. When you pull, you do the acknowledge. Acknowledge. Let's run that again. I could use the latest version or even the version 3.0, which is not released yet, but you can use it again from snapshots. Here goes publishing those messages here. Look. Look, it's publishing. On the console, you see the message. Here we go. Mateus. Reading the message. Just a select from the DB, pretty simple. Well, I even could leave this part of the SQL, but it's kind of a double check of the messages, which I was cannot put. The application is doing that for me. It's not going to put anything. The application does it for right now. If you understood what I did, to the typed script, I added the message receiver from the channel, all right, which is a bin, which I read directly there instead of pulling. I'm doing the acknowledge by the code. So that's how pretty simple is to be working with, in this case, a pub sub, which deploy the Kotlin TypeScript application statically. And also I did the SQL stuff to connecting using the connection names by a SQL provider, Cloud SQL proxy. All right. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.